So what I'm going to do right now is replace a limit switch, or if you want to call it a travel limit, and this is on a Genie Screw Drive Garage Door Opener. And here's the limit switch right here, and there's two limit switches on the motor. There's one for the down and there's also one for the up. And if you look at the rail there, you'll see it runs along and comes down, and this is the one that's at the bottom for the close here. And what happens is this carriage, as it's traveling along the rail, it comes and contacts the limit switch and tells the door to stop. So if this has failed, then this carriage won't stop. It'll just keep going right past your limit, and you'll be having trouble with your garage door. So what you want to do is take this wire off here first, like this, and then you'll need a 1/4 inch hex head socket. And if you look at this newer limit switch here, this is where the screw is, and on the older one the screw is actually on the other side. So what you do, you just loosen that screw up, and you could just pull this right off the rail like this. So then you take your new unit, and you'll see there's a little mark here from the old unit, which you kind of want to match it so that the garage door is going to stop in the same position that it was stopping. So after you tighten this one down, you're going to put your wire back on, and then you're going to test the garage door. And as it goes down and it contacts and stops, if it's stopping and you have a gap on the floor, you can move this back this way or down this way to get the proper position you want for your garage door. Also, one more thing I want to show you on the old limit switch. If you want to save on not buying a new limit switch, you might be able to, because if you look here, there's a contact, and this piece here, when it contacts, it tells the garage door to stop. So what happens is corrosion and dirt gets in between here, and it doesn't work. So what you could do is get a piece of sandpaper like this, put it between the contacts, and just kind of sand it a little like this, and you might be able to clean off the dirt or corrosion, and this old limit switch might still be working. And if it doesn't work, then you will have to buy a new one. And also the other thing that happens is this brass looking springy piece collapses totally, and it's constantly touching like this and constantly contacting. So in that case, what you do is you just get a screwdriver, or you could use your finger, and you kind of pull this and try to bend it back so it's not touching there. See, there's a space there. So also you have to be careful, because this can break. So if that saves you a couple bucks, great. If not, just go ahead and buy a new limit switch, and your worries will be over for that problem. Alright, that's about it for the limit switch, and thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out.